how to hide content when you open up a new browser window or tab in Microsoft Edge. So see, right now I have this browser content that's down here. If I open up another new tab, it reappears down here. It gets a little cluttered, and I'd prefer it to just be, like a normal Google search or something where I just have the search bar in the middle of the screen. So what I can do is in the upper right hand corner there is a page settings option. Go ahead and select that. And then from here go down and select on the custom option for the page layout. And then from here at the bottom there is a content drop down combo box option, and on the bottom there is a content off. You go ahead and select that, disappears, and you can exit out, and now it goes back to being something more of a normal Google-ish search. So that is how you get rid of content from appearing when you open up new tabs or just a blank tab in Microsoft Edge.